Welcome to Affinity Stars Preschool Audio Class. Today we're going to have fun circle time together. Then we'll listen to a magical story. After story time, we'll use our imagination to play. Finally, we'll end with a fun art project that you can keep. So come on in and join the magic. Hello, my sparkling friends. I am so glad you're here today. Come sit in your cozy spot and rest your hands on your belly. Let's take a winter breath together. Breathe in like you're pulling in cool, snowy air, and breathe out like warm cocoa steam floating into the sky. Good job, my magical friends. Now, close your eyes if you want to, and think about a time someone was kind to you. Maybe someone helped you when something was hard. Maybe they shared a toy with you. Maybe they gave you a hug that felt like a warm blanket. That warm feeling inside your chest, that's called your warm heart starlight. You'll need that starlight today, guys, because we're going on a Christmas sky adventure. Are you ready to fly with me? Let's wiggle our fingers like twinkling lights. Let's tap our toes like snowflake dancers. And now, place your hands over your heart. Your warm heart starlight is ready to shine and ready to go. What was that? Look! Floating down on a snowflake. It's a tiny elf with boots the size of gumdrops.
Hello, I'm Twinkleberry,
The elf says, brushing snow off his hat.
I need your help. The kindest constellation in the sky has lost one of its glowing stars. Without it, Santa's night path won't sparkle brightly enough.
Twinkleberry looks worried, but hopeful.
The missing star hides wherever kindness is needed most, and it only lights up when someone helps.
He points to a soft, fluffy cloud sled waiting nearby.
Hop on! We're searching for the missing star.
You step onto the cloud sled, and it feels like sitting on a giant marshmallow.
Ready?
Twinkleberry calls. The cloud sled charges forward, zooming into the Christmas sky. The shy reindeer. You glide down towards Santa's practice field. A baby reindeer stands alone, his ears drooping.
He's shy.
Twinkleberry whispers.
He's scared to join the others.
Let's help the baby reindeer. Put your hands on your heart and imagine sending your warm heart star light to him. Warm and gentle. No rush. Look, the reindeer lifts his head. His ears are up. He takes a brave little step. Oh, wow, a tiny glimmer lights up in the snow. Twinkleberry gasps.
There's the missing star. It's starting to glow.
The cloud sled swoops you up again. The gingerbread glitter disagreement. You float over the gingerbread village. Two gingerbread kids are arguing, frosting bags in their hands. He took the glittering frosting. No, I had it first. Twinkleberry sighs.
They need sharing ideas.
Let's help the gingerbread kids. Can you whisper an idea out loud? Maybe you can take turns. Or let's share the sparkles. The gingerbread kids look at each other, then smile and squeeze the bag together. Now the glowing star brightens, shining like a tiny lantern.
Nice teamwork,
Twinkleberry says. The lonely snowman. Your cloud sled lands in a quiet, snowy forest. A snowman stands alone beside a pine tree looking at the ground.
I think he feels left out,
Twinkleberry says softly. How can we help him? Let's imagine giving a snowman some company. Wave to him. Hi! Hi, snowman! Tell the snowman that he matters and that people care. Maybe imagine decorating his tree with kindness lights. Oh, look, the snowman lifts his thick arms and he's smiling. The star rises from the snow with an amazing glow.
You did it!
Twinkleberry cheers.
The star is fully lit!
The cloud sled zooms back into the sky. Twinkleberry places the star into the empty space in the kindness constellation. It sparkles like a warm smile across the night.
You helped save Christmas glow,
He says.
and you did it with kindness.
Now it's time for the Kindness Sleigh Ride game. Sit tall. Pretend your cloud slide is back under you. Hold your reins. Here we go. Lift your knees slowly, trotting through the soft snow. Lean left, lean right. Dodging tall, snowy trees. Reach into your heart now and scoop kindness. Toss it gently into the sky. Freeze like an icicle. Now, melt slowly like warm cocoa. Look, you spot someone who needs help. Reach out your mitten hand. Reach out as far as you can. Help him get up. As we zoom on, now we see someone feeling sad. Shine your warm heart starlight toward them. Look, it's making them feel better already. Do you hear that? Look over there. Someone is super excited. They're shaking their Christmas bells. Shake your pretend sleigh bells with them. Now your kindness sleigh glides softly to a stop. Beautiful job, my magical friends. You did a great job today. With your warm heart starlight, you were able to spread kindness and help others. Good job, my magical friends. Thank you for playing with me today. I hope you come back and play with me next time. Until then, aim high and shine bright. Hello there. Would you like to make an art project with me? It's called Your Own Kindness Star Ornament. You will need paper or cardstock, crayons or markers, and a string or a ribbon. Now let's make something magical. Draw a big star. This is your kindness star. Inside your star, draw a time you were kind. Maybe you helped someone clean up, or you shared your favorite toy. Maybe you told someone a gentle word that made them feel special. Pause this audio to draw your picture, and when you're done, press play. Now, add some sparkles or stickers to make it shine bright. If you want, glue a little cotton at the edges to look like snow. Now, punch a hole at the top of your cardstock and tie a ribbon. How about that? Now you can hang your star anywhere you like. When you see it, remember, you help light up the Christmas sky today, and your kindness can glow all year long. Visit listenlearnplay.com for more fun magical audio lessons with Miss Shelley that teach things like social skills, big imagination, and confidence.